Rahim. Respected brothers and sisters, when we talk about the miraculous nature of Qur'an being the final book of Allah, there's so many aspects that we can talk about, and this book is amazing. It will always blow your mind as being the final book of God to guide humanity. Even in the way it appears, it has so many unique features. So, for example, no matter how short surah and chapter of Quran you take, it has to be distinguished and unique from the rest of all the surahs, all the chapters, 114, in a way that it will have one or two or three or four unique words that will, be only in that chapter and nowhere else in the whole Quran. So, for example, the shortest surah, Surah Al-Kawthar, you take that, and you see, Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Kawthar is only in this surah. It's not nowhere else. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. Wanhar is nowhere else in Quran. Only in this surah. Inna shani'aka. Shani'aka is not, found in Quran anywhere else except in this surah. Huwa al-abtar. Abtar is not found in Quran anywhere except in this surah. I mean, go to the other shortest surah, Qul Huwallahu Ahad, the famous surah, 112. So you say, Qul Huwallahu Ahad, Allahu Samad. Samad is beautiful, the independent person, as-Samad. It's not anywhere in Quran, okay? Lam yalid wa lam yulad, just the way they are in this place, nowhere else in Quran. And in Nishani, وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا. Kufuwan is not found in Quran anywhere else. Shortest surahs, yet in each of them, 4 unique words not found anywhere else in Quran. Subhanallah, that's the miracle of Quran.